Shalom guys, I hope your day's been good, but better watch this video. Today, we're going to be playing with store-bought slime, which it's already gotten before. Listen to that poke. Like, we'll just listen. I'm trying to make it to where y'all can sit there. And we're not fixing it. We're just playing with it. And yes, it is store-bought. Super goofy fun. Okay, it's stuck all over the carpet. I had to get it out. Washing instructions. Slime will wash easily from skin and moisture into fabrics with soap and water. Keep away from wallpaper, painted walls, furniture, carpeting, and all other materials that cannot be laundered. Great. It's all over my, as you see, I have to get it off. The poke, the best part about it. We're gonna try to make a bubble. Oh wait, the stretch. Oh, I haven't tried the stretch out yet. Like, this is like, we're gonna try squirrel. Look how clear that is. That's such a good bubble. That sound, I swear. It's still like a bubble. Yeah, one is good, but you know. Wait, you can make a bubble like this, you don't know how. And then put it down, So this is going to be pretty much like a slime channel. Last to leave channels. Last to leave channel. Listen to this, are you ready? Listen to the crunch and the poke. Here's the poke. Yo, no, Kason, Nicholas. Brothers don't care about you. Like, my brothers don't care about me. You know what? My boyfriend does. And y'all might or might not know who my boyfriend is. But make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Did you do it? Did you do it? If you did, make sure to like. Make sure to comment down below on what your favorite video is out of all 3 so far. This is my 3rd video. I'm doing good on posting every day though. I'm doing really good. So y'all, my mom probably don't be able to doing class to go to sleep. Challenge. Well, yeah, I'm going to eat my baby with your guys. See us for minutes. It's still stoned and everything. Well, I got there to eat this. The odds for me to pick it up off the ground. Stepped on and ate it. So, you know, the odds. And you know what it was? Both. Well, actually, all 3 of us at 5. So, I don't like baby. but I've never had a baby red. That's good. I'm not going to. You scared me. Friend's here.
Hey, look.
Friend.
There's another one.
No, that's the one I got the paint out of right there, up there.
It's good. Hey, Tyler. Oh. Queen.
I didn't do it.
Ow. Hey, if I get one, then you gotta go up and do it. Go up and go.
This is my YouTube.
There's only one more spot. Get out of there and join that. Get out and join that. There's only one more spot. And it's a Pacific heist. Peter. Okay, fine.
What are you doing?
Somebody just joined.
Oh, well. 5.
No, Jack, somebody joined. Hurry up.
4. Hold on, pause the video.
Okay.
Ow.
Just
5.
get some.
Ow. 5.
Yeah, hold on.
4. No, Casey. You
I
gotta
just
get on.
spammed invited you.
No.
Join.
Guys, get your movie in. Get in bed.
Okay.
Movie. Bed.
Okay.